The Supreme Court has strongly reprimanded 5 social media influencers, including comedian and host Samay Raina, for mocking people with disabilities and rare genetic disorders on their shows. A bench of Justice Suryakant and Joymalia Bagchi said that commercial and prohibited speeches do not fall under the ambit of fundamental rights. The court directed the influencers to issue unconditional apologies on their podcast and shows, stating that the degree of repentance must exceed the offense caused. Justice Bagchi said, "Much of this media block is used like feeding your own ego. It feeds on yourself, and when you become too big and have so many followers, it's not only freedom of speech here, it is purely commerce. In fact, there are various kinds of speeches, and in the Amish Devgan case, this court has classified various kinds of speeches like commercial speech and prohibited speech. This overlapping of commercial and prohibited speeches is where you have no fundamental rights." The top court hinted at imposing monetary penalties, suggesting that funds be utilized for the treatment of patients suffering from rare genetic conditions like spinal muscular atrophy. Besides Raina, the Apex Court previously issues notices to 4 other influencers: Vipul Goel, Balraj Paramjit Singh Ghai, Sonali Thakkar alias Sonali Aditya Desai, and Nishant Jagdish Tanwar. The bench also stressed the need for clear social media content guidelines, directing the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and Attorney General R. Venkataramani to draft regulations in consultation with stakeholders, ensuring accountability without imposing a gag order. Calling the influencers' conduct damaging and demoralizing, the bench said humor must never cross the line into mockery or insensitivity, especially against vulnerable communities.